Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 30th, 2020, and on today's video, we're going to talk about Microsoft stock and if the trap is going to try to increase the value of this particular market, or will we see the price go lower? Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. What we offer is relatively simple to see and understand. And then on top of that, we give you all a heads up, a notice as to what the trap is trying to do in the market for stocks, for cryptocurrencies, as well as in commodities. So before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. There are other links in the description of this video as well if you guys want to continue to follow us on all of our other social media platforms, because we're here to keep you all updated in the market as to what the trap is going to do next. So the last time we did our video on Microsoft was all the way back in July 26, 2020. That was the last time we did our video. And you guys can see that our expectations was to allow the trap to lower the value of each share of Microsoft, and generally it hasn't happened. You guys can see right here on the performance of what the trap has done since our video, and it's just been trading within a range. It has just been trading sideways, and the ultimate area of restriction was around $230 in support. It's right there where we started when we created our video in Microsoft back in July. So what is the market trying to do in Microsoft? It's the question that we're going to try to answer today on this video. So let's look at the market real quick and see if we want to continue to keep our forecast ongoing into the market for Microsoft. So here we are. We play the market right here on the week of July the 20th, 2020, and we expected the market to go lower, and we continue to see the trap increase the value of Microsoft following our forecast. But then you can tell that the market is still hinting at weakness in this vicinity. So I would say $215 is restriction, and the market support is around $195. That gives us ample amount of opportunity to continue to see what has occurred and what's the likely outcome to be for Microsoft going on into the future. And weakness is still here, but the market in Microsoft is able to maintain the weakness. All I'm saying is that there's not that much inducement to push the value of Microsoft lower right now, which allows many people to continually to go and purchase and sell the market at these levels. What I'm saying is that the trap, he's comfortable trading the market at these prices right now. So let's take a look at the market since today's the last day of September. And you guys can see here that generally this is definitely where weakness is being revealed in the long term. The monthly price chart for Microsoft is still hinting at some weakness, but the market is not extenuating weak. It is not extremely weak to the point to where you would expect the market to come all the way back down to this ascending trend, to this ascending line that is on our chart. But yeah, we are definitely overextended in the market in Microsoft. The slope of the market in Microsoft is a lot stronger than what this particular ascending line looks like. You guys can see the difference. So the market in Microsoft is definitely overextended, which kind of lends towards the fact that in the long term, yes, the weakness is definitely overpowering the strength at this particular moment. So even though our forecast of what was created back in July still stands, the market in Microsoft is still weak. But what we're going to do, we're just going to revise it. So if you wanted to get out the market today in Microsoft, you'll be down 3.01% right now. Okay, let's just go ahead and take that off, and we're just going to revise the market. But we're still going to play the weakness in this space because nothing really has changed into the market. This stock has just been traded within a consolidation. So let's go ahead and get rid of this 3.01% loss on that particular forecast done all the way back in July. And let us go ahead and we're going to play the weakness into the market in Microsoft still. Let's play this on the daily time frame. All right, now when I zoom out, tell me where the area of restriction is at. Show it to me. Did you say around 215? Yes. Right around $215 is where the market restriction is at in Microsoft. So don't be surprised. The market in Microsoft has been in this consolidational range since June or July. And here we are in September. 2 months. And it has just been traded within a range. We can continue that. So for us, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Microsoft. And when you look at the market on a weekly time frame, excuse me, when you look at the market in Microsoft on a weekly, there's two areas of support that the trap will hold. 205 all the way back down to $200. Okay, so we'll TP the market in Microsoft at $200 or 205, excuse me, 205 first, which is literally right here. That area can hold the market. The trap, literally, if he continues to reflect strength, he'll hold support there at 205, but ultimately support around $200. Okay, so we're going to play this on a daily time frame. Based off the monthly perspective, weakness is definitely present there. When you look at the market in Microsoft on a weekly time frame, if we end in the next 2 days lower than the close from last week, the market in Microsoft is still showing us weakness as well. But the weekly chart is showing me that the market is going to continue to hold consolidational trading, that we're going to continue to trade in a range for a little while longer. Daily time frame, again, same thing, consolidational trading. So from 3 different time frames, 2 of them are reflecting consolidational trading, 1 of them is reflecting weakness. So you take it for what it is. So this is our forecast. Now is your opportunity to dialogue with us. Give us a comment as to what you think the market in Microsoft is going to do, higher, lower, and give us your TP price. It's just that simple. Make sure you maintain our profitability, and we'll talk again on the next video.